Network. Now, Philips and Magnavox have come together to put out the 3D television. What is that? A TV where you got to sit at home, wear glasses, and it looks like the image comes this far out of your screen? I don't think so. Here at Norelco, we've come up with a new kind of television. It's called Surround Vision. Now, here testing out our market today is Gabby. Gabby, are you ready?
Yeah.
Now, Gabby, we happen to go through your TiVo and find out what some of your favorite TV shows are. And I believe your favorite was from the 60s era, Batman. Is that correct?
Yeah!
Haven't you always wanted to be in a Batman show?
Yeah!
Well, now's your chance with Norelco's Surround Vision TV.